Chapter 10 Treasure Hunt. Rainwaters are considered the purest form of natural water. It is also the main source of water on earth. Rainwater fills up various water bodies, and some rainwater also goes under the ground where it is stored between rocks. Let me answer. 1. Have you ever seen a lake? 2. Do you have a lake near your surroundings? Look at the pictures below and read about these water bodies which are a source of fresh water for humans, animals and plants. Rivers are the lifeline of the country. Humans use rivers for different purposes. They supply water for drinking, domestic purposes. Lakes are important for various reasons. It is a large freshwater body surrounded by land. It receives water from rains and from streams that flow into them. Canals are man-made structures mainly constructed for irrigation of crops. It is used for irrigation of crops and agricultural fields. They take water from rivers and dams. Teachers note: educate the importance of water bodies in our life. Mention a few ways to save water to eradicate water pollution. Ponds are smaller than lakes and are commonly found in villages. Fresh water from ponds are used by the villagers for their domestic purpose. Many creatures also survive in ponds like fish. Info bits. The river Indus arises from near Kailash Mansarovar in Tibet, China, and flows through Ladakh in India before crossing into Pakistan, where it falls into Arabian Sea near Karachi. A. Let's get it straight. Answer this simple but interesting quiz about freshwater sources in India. You may use the help list given below. 1. Name the longest flowing river in India. Answer: Indus River. 2. Where do the river Ganga and river Yamuna meet? Answer: Prayagraj. 3. Name the famous lake situated in Srinagar. Answer: Dal Lake. 4. Name the largest saltwater lake in India. Sambar Lake. 5. Which is the longest canal in India? Answer: Indira Gandhi Canal. Activity B. Energy saver. We use electricity to perform our daily activities. It is the best gift of science to mankind. Every hour, electricity is needed to complete our task. Let me answer. Do you switch off the fans and lights when not in use? Here are some activities that Rimi does every day. Decide if she saves electricity. Score her 1 point for becoming an energy saver. Give her 0 point for wasting it. 1. Rimi is busy reading a comic book while the TV is switched on. 2. She plays computer games every day. 3. When she plays in her bedroom, she switches on the lights and fans. 4. She switches on a few lights in room to study. 5. She never switch off the fans when not in use. How would you score Rimi between 0 to 6? Do it yourself. Teachers note: practice a few measures to save energy. Ask the learners to score themselves as well based on the above activities.